Thanks, Simon. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, at this time of year, often the Atlantic hurricane season can influence the weather trends across the UK. That's exactly what we're going to see this week. Now, this is actually the remnants of ex-Hurricane Dorian. Now, as it moves across the much cooler waters of the Atlantic, it will weaken off considerably. And in actual fact, we've got some rain around at the moment that will probably produce more heavy, persistent rain than the remnants of Dorian. But as you can see how wet it's been so far today, and some of that rain down into the southwest, pretty intense, quite sharp, with rumbles of thunder. So the rain will gradually ease its way eastwards as we go through the afternoon. Some sunshine, though, into Northern Ireland by the end of the afternoon, but those temperatures are really going to struggle, I'm afraid, for the first week or so of September. Just a maximum of 13 to 17 degrees, the high. Now, as we move through the overnight period, that rain will continue to ease off, and with all that moisture in the air at this time of year, classic autumn mist and fog is likely to form. So it could be quite a murky start to our Tuesday morning, and quite chilly in some places as well. Single figures in more rural spots. So we start off, yes, quite murky, particularly through the Midlands. Some of that fog slow to clear. It will do so. And then the clouds thin and break, and a little more sunshine coming through tomorrow. A quieter day for most of us. That said, you can see into Northern Ireland and Scotland, the winds will strengthen. The rain arrives, and some of it quite heavy. But ahead of it, the temperatures a degree or so higher. So the remnants of ex-Hurricane Dorian, this area of low pressure, arrives through Tuesday night into Wednesday. Windy, yes, and wet for Scotland and Northern Ireland for a time. But it's going to weaken off considerably. So by Wednesday, across England and Wales, a band of showery rain, really, as it moves its way south and east. Breezy behind with a scattering of showers, but a degree or so warmer on Wednesday. Temperatures up as high as 21 Celsius. Now we have to look to another ex-storm, and this is Gabrielle. By Thursday, that is going to move in from the Atlantic, and with a southwesterly flow, it's going to bring some tropical humidity with it. And so things will actually start to feel quite warm towards the end of the week across England and Wales, the russet tones descending their way steadily northwards. Yes, it will bring some rain, but mostly to Northern Ireland, to Scotland and northwest England. Ahead of it, with that southwesterly flow and some sunshine, we'll see temperatures peaking perhaps as high as 23 degrees. That's not bad as we're heading towards the middle part of September. So just to summarise for you, it's a cool autumn flavour to start with, some wet and windy weather, but getting a little bit better later on. Rita.
Thank you, Louise.